Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle if you're new here, and we are Large Family Homesteaders. Today I wanted to share a video with y'all from farm to table, and I am going to give a warning that in the next few seconds it's going to be a little bit graphic. We do butcher a chicken and are pulling out the feathers. Last week we were able to participate in what is called a field trip for our homeschool co-op, and that was to experience butchering chickens, but also to be hands-on when it was done. So each person that wanted to could partake in butchering their own chicken, and only certain people decided to do it, and other people just decided to help in the plucking process or in the cleaning out of the chicken. I will say most of my kids were pretty hands-on, and I also helped in cleaning out the chicken. Since we were eating a chicken that we had butchered, I decided to go ahead and make a dessert with it. And so I was experimenting with some sourdough, and I made some sourdough pancakes, but then I turned some into crepes, and then I filled them with some sour cream and some homemade strawberry jam. The experience of eating an animal that you butcher yourself is a little odd. I know for us, we butcher the animal and get it, and it takes us it right away. So this chicken sat in our refrigerator for about 3 days, and when I cooked it, we cooked it in the Instant Pot just because of the rigor mortis, and the chicken tends to be tougher if they're not young chickens, and these weren't that young. I think they were close to a year old. So I cooked them for a couple of hours in the Instant Pot, and the only thing I added to the Instant Pot was water and salt, and it turned out really good. So it was just like a chicken broth over some white rice. The upside to this experience is that I know that if we ever need to butcher an animal to eat, that our family could do it. I don't know if I can do it by myself, but I definitely know how to clean the animal out now, and somebody else can slaughter the animal, because I don't think I could personally do that, but maybe I would if I had to. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and ask you to click the red button and subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Also, don't forget to click the bell so you get notifications of every time I post new videos, and I will see y'all guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.